We're going on to our battery fundamentals. Why are batteries important? The most important thing is that they give us portable power, obviously, okay? However, if we look at these here, your batteries are clean, convenient, and they have an ease of use. That means you take your battery, you slide it into a power thing, and it works, okay? There is no need for specialist expertise in the use or handling of batteries. Okay, this is actually not entirely accurate. There are some batteries which you shouldn't be playing with by yourself, but usually when it comes to a battery, those batteries that you buy in convenience stores, you can just power anything you want, just slide it in, okay? All right, let's admit peeps online. The improvements in battery technology resulted in batteries becoming lighter in mass, so they got more efficient and they got smaller as well, okay? They were able to store more power and take up less space, which therefore means that they weighed less as well. Your batteries store more and more energy. So just as we said, they didn't get bigger, okay, they got smaller but more powerful. That means the smaller they got, the more energy they could store instead of getting bigger and putting more energy in a bigger scale. Okay. The cost price per unit cell has reduced dramatically over the years. So batteries is pretty much the only industry, it's literally the only industry where it got improvements, and actually got cheaper as time goes by. We all know, if you come from the computer industry, you know that the better things get, the way more expensive things get. In drones, the better the tech gets, way more expensive things get, okay? Unfortunately, we live in a corrupt society that is just hands-on capitalism. How can we make the most money, okay? Whereas when batteries were being improved, society wasn't running that way. Society was running, how can we evolve society? And therefore, batteries got cheaper and more efficient as time went on, okay? All right. And then batteries can store energy for a reasonable period of time, not for forever. You do get rechargeable batteries that can be recharged and recharged, but even those will run out at a certain point in time.